In this DaVinci Resolve tutorial, I will show you how to create an irregular shaped video clip. Other tutorials can be found in my playlists. To create a shape in DaVinci Resolve, the compositor doesn't work as a lot of video editors work, so you have to do something slightly different. So first thing, you will need to create a pure white image with a transparent background. I've actually used Blender to create this image, and I've used an emitter instead, and if you look at it, it actually looks like this in 3D view, but it's gonna render out like this. I won't go into too much Blender, but basically you will need a transparent background. Okay, so in DaVinci Resolve, depending on whether you want a video over the top of a video or whether you just want a video with sort of a black background, depends what you do. But let's just place this video clip in track 1, kill the noise, and I'm going to place this one over track 1, and again we'll kill the noise. And just for ease for now, I'm going to just go into the editor, and we'll just slide this track out the way so we can only see this one. So what you need to do, obviously you'll have your this needs to be a PNG image as well. JPEG doesn't work, so just reiterate, your image needs to be with a blank background, pure white, and a PNG. So making sure that the video is selected that you want to create your shape out of, you need to come down to something called Fusion, and you've got this node editor here. Look for something called Media Pool and just drag your image into the node section, and then connect your image to the median 1, and straight away you'll end up with a shaped video with a transparent background. Now if I go back to edit mode, I can drag this in just to show that it works over the top, and here it is over the top of this video. Obviously I need to edit these to marry up the length, but that basically shows you what you can and can't do. Normally you would say with this video use the composite section here, so this says normal. You should say on all other editors it says I forget what this should say here. Where is that? So other editors you would use multiply, but this doesn't work with DaVinci, so forget that, just leave it as it is, normal. And that's it basically. That's all there is to it. Hopefully that's helped someone. Thank you for watching. Cheers.